Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this fall makeup look here. It's got lots of greens and yellows and browns in it. I really love this look. It's out of my comfort zone. I don't normally do makeup looks like this, but I really like the way it turned out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna first start out by using my Morphe James Charles palette. I have the mini palette and I'm going, no, that's not what I'm going to use first. Eye primer, Chelsea. So I'm going to first start out with my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. I use this in every single video because I just love it. I'm going to use my Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to use this nude color. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of the white because I have such a light skin tone that I need to lighten it just a little bit. And I'm going to set my inner corner and my brow bone with those colors. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and this color Top Secret right here. And I haven't, I don't have another green like this, so that's why I'm using this palette. But I'm just gonna pack this down on top of the unset base, so that way it can really stick down and get lots of pigment. And then I'm going to blend that color out with the color Access. And just going to go at the very top of this green with this color. And then I'm going to deepen the crease a little bit with the black color in the James Charles palette. And I'm going to use this, what is this brush called? This is the Morphe JH43 brush. Just a really tight brush so I can get into the crease. And I'm going to do a cut crease for this, so I'm going to just put this black down in my crease. And now I'm going to carve out my lid with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then I'm going to use this bright yellow in the James Charles palette and just pack that down on that concealer. And now I'm gonna do my face makeup. So I'm gonna use my Revlon photoready pore reducing primer. So I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation. And I'm having a lot of trouble getting it out of here, so I'm going in with a little e.l.f. concealer brush to try to get as much product out as possible. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge to blend it all in. Now I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I also really love this powder, the Maybelline Fit Me powder. For my cheeks, I'm going to use my Maybelline City Bronzer. And then I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. And this middle shade right here. And I'm going to contour with that. And then I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali 6 color blush and highlighter palette. Long name. And I'm going to use this light pink color. And I'm going to use this really pretty, like, light gold color right here. It's called Glisten as my highlight. I just bought this palette for my birthday. Because I always use the same highlighter palette and like the same blushes, so I wanted to get something different. Okay, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my Essence Lash Princess mascara. And then I'm going to use some false eyelashes. I'm going to use my Ardell Soft Touch lashes and the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Okay, so for the part that really pulls this whole look together, I'm going to use my NYX Professional NYX Lip Pencil in the shade Espresso. And it's a really nice, like chestnut brown color. And I'm just going to line my lips with that. And then once I've filled in my lips with that, I'm going to use my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Dubai. And this is also a really nice, like, chestnut brown color. And I'm going to just add this over top. So this is the completed fall makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.